What's going on, guys? This is Paul with BearcatWarehouse.com. Today I've got a quick video showing you how to use the replay and record function on the SDS model scanners. Hang tight and I'll show you how to do this. Alright, we're going to start with the replay option. This option allows you to replay transmissions that happen between a 30-second and 4-minute interval, and you can change this in the menu. So I'm going to start off by showing you how to do that in the menu. So press Menu. Go down to where it says Settings, press down on the knob. Then you're going to take the knob, dial it down till you see Replay Options, press down on the knob. The first option is Set Replay Duration. The default is 30 seconds. You could essentially put it on any of these durations, so we'll just go ahead and put 90 for right now. Press down on the knob. Once you're done that, you hit the system key, which is this dash button right here under the screen. So hit that, take you back to scanning. We'll let a couple transmissions come through.
Female has a jacket tied around her waist.
Go ahead.
For the trespasser in the lobby of 119 State Street, I have a male aggressive. He broke out windows before at this location. He's not supposed to be on the property. He's a male black wearing a red jacket, no shirt, dark blue or black sweatpants.
Okay, I'd say that's probably good for now. So we're going to go ahead and do replay.
Absolutely.
And you can see these changing. These are each of the calls that we got.
Partner DMS Medical, RPD Leonard. Hispanic or Italian female has a jacket tied around her waist.
Go ahead.
For the trespasser in the lobby of 119 State Street, I have a male aggressive. He broke out windows before at this
So as
location.
you can
He's
see,
not supposed to be on the property. He's a male
this
black
is
wearing a red jacket, no shirt.
really helpful if you really have to go back and hear stuff. So you can dial these back if you wanted to hear a previous one that we already heard. So that you can see this number up here. There's 7 out of or 10 different things we can hear. So number 1 through 10 you can dial through, and then you can listen to all those if you like. Then it's going to ask you if we want to do replay mode again. We could just hit no. Alright, so for this part, I'll show you how to do the record. So to start a recording, we hit the function button. Then we hit the replay record button. It's going to ask us if we want to start a recording. We hit yes.
210-4, you can close us for 35-34.
We have to pick one up for the moment. One of our members is leaving 3, but we should have more people coming in shortly. So if you can put that back in the hopper for now.
Alright, that should be good. So go ahead and hit function, and then the replay button again, and it's going to say recording stopped, and we're going to hit the yes button. And it says there are 6 audio files. Do you want to save these? And we hit yes. Alright, so to view what we've recorded, we're going to hit the menu button. We're going to go down to settings again. And then we're going to go down to replay options again. And then go to review recordings. And then you can see our recording right here. We could just press down on the knob, and then we can play the session, delete it, or rename it.
About 50 kids fighting right in front of Sam's Mini Mart. Hudson, that was the one they said no need for. 210-4, you can close us for 35-34.
And then, similar to the replay option, these recordings are saved, so you can see there's 6 of them. And then if we wanted to take it back to the first one, we can. You just dial through them if you want.
Actually, we have a
There's also a pause button I wanted to mention. So you can pause, like if you wanted, if somebody interrupts you or a phone call comes in, you can pause it and then press down here again to
one of
resume
our
it.
members is leaving at 3, but we should have some more people come in shortly. So if you can put that back in the hopper for now.
So,
All right, and then it's going to say play again, and I think we're all set. So that's all you got to do. All right, guys, that's going to finish us up today. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please consider liking it and subscribing to our YouTube channel. If you're interested in the SDS200 or any of the current model radios, we sell them on our website, bearcatwarehouse.com. We offer to program them, we offer accessories for them, and warranty options. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot us an email at admin@bearcatwarehouse.com, our online chat system, or simply give us a call. All right, I'll catch you guys in the next one.